What's up, Sin City Food family? It's your favorite food review channel, Sin City Food Reviews. I'm JT.
I'm Mom.
And on this episode, we're gonna dive into Las Vegas buffets. We're on West Sahara at Crazy Buffet. Let's go in there. Asian inspired food. Let's go check it out, see what they have to offer. First impression, seems super clean in here. There's a lot of selection. The price is good, $13.99 for lunch buffet. Pretty good. They do have a lot of seafood here, and they make all their sushi fresh. So I'm excited to dig in. Mom's getting her first plate. All right, Mom, first impression?
Incredible. There's so much food over there. Some of it I don't know what it is.
What'd you get?
I got raw peeling and eat shrimp. I got jumbo,
Crispy shrimp,
beef and broccoli.
My first plate, I got some sushi, some peel and eat shrimp, lo mein, and then I did get some pork fried rice, mushrooms, and orange chicken. So that'll be my starter plate, and then I'll go back for the rest of the goodies. Sushi's good. Super fresh, because I make it fresh. Let me try some of this orange chicken. So far, my favorite dish, orange chicken. The sushi's pretty good. The prawns, not a fan of those. Mushrooms, all right. Not the best I've had, not the worst I've had. Just kind of average on that one. Favorite dish on your plate?
Favorite dish on my plate is probably the peel and eat shrimp.
Next plate, I got a couple egg rolls, chicken on a stick, grilled chicken, pork fried rice, some sea bass, and some spicy California rolls. All right, what'd you get, Mom?
I got orange chicken, California roll, sushi,
Chicken on a stick, and some
teriyaki chicken,
egg
and
rolls.
egg rolls.
So the chicken breast, dry, chewy, not a fan. The sushi's bomb, I love the sushi. Chicken on a stick is bomb. Where I used to live in Wyoming, They had a Chinese restaurant too that did buffet, and they did that chicken on a stick, and it was good. The sea bass bomb, so good, the sea bass. So I think their highlight is going to be their seafood here and sushi. Two top things. Orange chicken off the chain. Other dishes not so, they're average. Favorite item, Mom?
I would say the orange chicken.
Next plate, fried bun, 2 slices of pizza. We're each going to try one. What do you think, Mom?
It's okay.
What's the flavor taste like?
I expected more.
The
A
cinnamon
biscuit with sugar on it.
Bland.
Biscuit with sugar.
Yeah, it tastes like biscuit with cinnamon.
I mean, pepper. Bye.
It's not that bad.
Bye.
Pizza's not that bad, to be honest. It's definitely not like top 5, but for a buffet, it's not that bad. Our next plate, the favorite, dessert. Got a little cake right there. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like we've got a couple pecan almond cookies. I was gonna say pecan. And then these are apple pie, it says. And then this little bread stuff. So that's gonna be our final plate. The dessert, almond cookie.
It's good, but it tastes like it's lacking something.
Almond cookie. It's alright. Reminds you of those cookies in the tin when you get them for Christmas. Not bad. Next, I'm going to try this little piece of cake. There was a line for this. Everybody wanted this. It's like a coffee, toffee.
It melts in your mouth. It's so good.
My final assessment, crazy buffet. I'm gonna give them a 3 out of 5. Pretty good buffet. Their strength is their seafood, sushi, orange chicken. Their desserts, there's about 2 good desserts on the whole thing to me. But I'd give them a 3 out of 5. Price is right. I would definitely come back. I would recommend Crazy Buffet. I do want to try their dinner buffet because this is the lunch buffet. So I probably missed out on crab legs and everything like that. But I would recommend it. Just stick to orange chicken, sushi, and their seafood is their strength. All right, Mom, final assessment?
3.5. My favorite was orange chicken and then shrimp, of course.
And your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert, I think, was a little like coffee chocolate cake.
Yep, that was the best one. And
I would recommend, yes, I would highly recommend to all my friends.
We are Sin City Food, and you have been reviewed.